AWS Training Institute in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Steps to kickstart your career into the role of a cloud architect. Introduction to cloud architects. The role of cloud architects is explored by IT professionals who are responsible for designing, building, and managing cloud infrastructure. They lead cloud management, develop strategies, and ensure the efficient operation of cloud architectures. Cloud architect responsibilities. Cloud architects are tasked with cloud planning, designing, and developing strategies. They evaluate cloud applications, monitor privacy, address technological challenges, and possess comprehensive infrastructure experience, emphasizing skills in programming, interpersonal relations, management, and leadership. Essential skills for cloud architects. Cloud architects must master operating systems, networking, and cloud storage. Security knowledge is crucial, covering network security, identity and access management, and encryption. They should also be adept at choosing the right cloud services and possess strong communication skills for effective collaboration. Becoming a cloud architect. A basic degree in a relevant field is required to become a cloud architect, and qualification for mid-level or senior positions is achieved by gaining work experience. Certification programs such as AWS, Azure, and others help enhance skills. Practical experience is sought through the exploration of job opportunities after training. Cloud architect. Salary insights. Cloud architects are in high demand, earning lucrative salaries globally. Salaries in India range from 4 to 31 LPA based on experience, while in the USA, they range from $80,000 to $167,000. Top companies can be chosen for successful careers by those who pursue continuous learning through online courses and certifications.